Hello, I'm Rod Shaw, founder of the charity Calon, based in the Garry Valley. The valley is one of 3 in Bridgend County and is unique in that it's headless. There's one road in and it's the same road out. This compounds the indices of deprivation with isolation and, when added to the lack of employment opportunities, contribute to social problems. Recognising these issues and the drawing back of local authority provision were key factors in establishing the charity, one that would ask people what they wanted and then strive to deliver. The charity has already set up a very effective and popular junior youth club when the spectre of 13-year-olds falling off the belt prompted Club 165, a senior youth club for the Barry. We are very grateful for your support and wanted to share what has been achieved with you. Sit back and enjoy, and you'll see some of the activities taking place and witness the positive effect you have facilitated. I do hope you've just seen how positive your contribution has been to young people in this isolated area, the Garry Valley. We know, by keeping in touch with our PCSOs, just how important to crime reduction it is to give young people positive adult influences, support and opportunity. Your award has helped us provide these aspects, and by the careful investment of your award we have been able to acquire equipment that will keep on helping us provide that support to young people. On behalf of the trustees of Calon and the young people of the Garry Valley, I thank you.